Education is the best investment with the best interest for Filipino people. The 1987 Constitution has a preamble that starts with, "We, the sovereign Filipino people." And to put our sovereignty into an international stage, we should educate the people on what we can do as one nation. Because in unity, we are strongest, but in division, we are at our weakest. So, my advice to all Filipinos, Davao City, our moment begins here. We should fight for what we believe in. We should be pro-Filipino in every decision we make. And let us remember, change begins within you. I cannot change the world alone, but if I cast a stone in a river, then it creates ripples that can change the world.